front of me is Black Shark 5, and today I would like to show you how you can manage location of this Black Shark. First of all, just access that menu. Now look for location icon, and when you find it, click on it. Then select closed in this pop-up, and as you can see after that, location of my smartphone is off. If you were to turn it back on, click on the same icon. You can always go into settings as well, scroll down and tap on location here. Then manage it by clicking on this switcher next to location access feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!